Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with Essentials, controller running and AP reachable. Plug the AP into PoE and verify it gets an IP from DHCP. That makes discovery possible. Open the UniFi controller, go straight to Devices, and watch for a pending or discovered AP. This indicates L2 visibility. If you don't see it, make sure your management VLAN is allowed. Also confirm controller and AP firmware aren't wildly mismatched, since big jumps can block adoption. Once discovered, you're ready to adopt. Once you click Adopt, the controller pushes settings and negotiates a secure Inform connection. This step can take a minute. You'll configure SSID, security, channel plan, and any VLAN tagging. Do this now so radios provision correctly. If adoption stalls, check Inform URL and controller IP. Correct values are required for the AP to register. After adoption, apply firmware updates from the controller and tune, transmit power, or channel widths to reduce interference. These choices affect coverage and capacity, so adjust thoughtfully. Finish by validating client connections and monitoring for roaming and throughput issues. Use the controller's tools to view real-time stats. If something goes wrong, a key fix is manual set inform via SSH. Point the AP to the controller's Inform URL, then retry adoption. Also verify no firewall is blocking 8080/8443/8081 as needed. Make a backup of the controller and note AP, MAC, and firmware. That way, if you
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.